As of July 2025, you can now connect your Google Nest thermostat to Apple HomeKit using the Matter Smart Home standard. This breakthrough integration allows you to control your Nest device using Siri and the Apple Home app. However, compatibility is limited to specific devices. Currently, only the Google Nest thermostat released in 2020 supports Apple HomeKit via Matter. Older models like the original Nest Learning Thermostat and Nest Thermostat E do not have Matter support. Before you begin the setup process, you'll need to ensure you have the proper prerequisites. Your 2020 Nest thermostat must be running software version 1.3 or higher, and you'll need an iPhone or iPad with iOS 16.4 or later. You'll also need a compatible HomeKit hub to enable remote control and automation. This can be a modern Apple TV or a HomePod, which act as the central control point for your HomeKit accessories. The setup process involves two main steps. First, you'll use the Google Home app to link your Nest thermostat to Matter. Then, you'll connect it to Apple HomeKit by scanning a QR code in the Apple Home app. Here's what the Apple Home app interface looks like when adding your Nest thermostat. You'll see the familiar Add Accessory screen where you can scan the Matter QR code to complete the integration. It's important to understand the limitations of this integration. While Matter enables basic temperature control through Siri and the Home app, advanced features like detailed scheduling and learning algorithms may not be available compared to using the native Google Nest app. Matter is a revolutionary smart home standard that's changing how we think about device compatibility. Instead of having separate ecosystems that don't talk to each other, Matter creates a unified language for all smart home devices. Matter operates on multiple network layers to ensure robust connectivity. It uses Wi-Fi and Thread for the main communication backbone, while Bluetooth Low Energy handles the initial device setup and pairing process. The device setup process with Matter is designed to be simple and intuitive. Devices use Bluetooth Low Energy to advertise their availability, and once discovered, they can be quickly added to your smart home network through a standardized pairing process. Currently, only the 2020 Google Nest thermostat and the fourth generation Nest Learning thermostat support Matter integration with Apple HomeKit. Older Nest devices like the original Learning thermostat and Nest Thermostat E do not have native Matter support. For older Nest devices that don't support Matter natively, third-party solutions like HomeBridge and Starling Home Hub provide alternative pathways to HomeKit integration. These solutions act as bridges, translating between different protocols to enable compatibility. The future of Matter looks promising, with continued adoption expected to lead to even more seamless integration between different smart home ecosystems. As more manufacturers embrace the standard, we can expect broader device compatibility and enhanced user experiences across all platforms.